Okay, the next thing to do, very simply, is you've got to unscrew that cap there to put the RO in. To do so, there's a little lock on here, like little thing like that. Don't lose it. And you have to pull the pipe out. And to pull the pipe out, you depress the collet and pull the pipe. Simple as that. Tip the machine out, unscrew the top, put the RO in, push it down, screw the cap on, nice and tight, and put the hose back in, and our little cap that we saved, little lock clip it is, there. You're done. That's all you have to do to the front. Just so you know, this is a 10 micron, a 5 micron, an RO system, and a remineralizing. They're the 4 main units. These ones you're going to replace in 3 to 6 months. This one about every 9 to 12 months. This one every 2 years. And that's based on using 10 litres a day of water. If you don't use 10 litres, obviously they'll last you longer. An alarm will go off on your screen showing you that it's time to replace these filters. Just flashes filter. Don't panic. It just means that it's time, so go buy some filters. From us, of course. And we put this back. Oh, it's a bit, better not take that one. What's happened there? It's